everyone, it's Monday morning. I hope you guys have an awesome Monday. I know it's the first day of the week, but start it right and you will enjoy it. So I just finished editing my video vlog. I'm gonna upload that now, and let's go have breakfast. This morning I want to go and open a bank account so I can get a debit card so that I can do online counseling sessions. Fun. Breakfast time, yummy.
Ain't nothing changed now, we're
Finished! They said come back in a week to get the debit card. Hopefully it works well with PayPal. So my video vlog is up on YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out. Ooh. What do you do to relax, guys? Guys, I'm home now. Today I spent a lot of time with sis and baby boy, making sure that everything was okay. He's doing well. He is getting heavier. Like my arm was hurting so much from lifting him up. Oh wow, he's growing so fast, and he's only 6 weeks old. He has my heart. He has all of my heart, all of it. I also met up with my aunt and we had some lunch and another fun, relaxing day. Tomorrow I have to check my schedule and organize for my visits. I'm still trying to figure out a location for my diabetes lectures because the person I asked, and I only need a place for like 2 hours, maybe once a week. He's like 600 TT because I'll have to be renting the whole day. That made no sense. Like what? No. So if any of you have like a location I know where I could have a little session, the group would probably be like 10 persons max, and it's going to be about diabetes. So we're gonna have like a lecture, discussion, and meal prep session. I've actually been planning it for a while because I was doing that diabetes educator course, and after I passed the exam and the course and the program was kind of completed, I still need to find a space, and everything is so expensive there right now. If I could work with a sort of percentage basis, that would be great. If not, then I'm gonna have to make sure that I get the numbers so that it will make sense to rent a space. So we'll see how it goes. I'm sure something will work out. It's actually that time of the month, guys, so I'm like super exhausted. Normally feel like really low energy. So it's important that you keep hydrated because that helps with every single process in the body, and you need water to survive. So please drink up, guys, and be safe. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well.